are going to try different life hacks to see if they work or not.
So let's get started.
If you take a water bottle and fill it with water and flip it on a glass tumbler, it automatically stops.
Just a trick. So the materials we need are just two materials, that is one bottle and one tumbler, glass tumbler. So first what we are going to do is we are going to fill water like about half in this bottle from here. So after we fill, we will show you guys.
So now we have filled water till half. We have filled water in a bottle.
So now we are going to put this put this glass over the mouth of the bottle, and then we are going to flip it. So 1, 2, 3. See, it stops. It does not go. But if we take like this only, it falls like this.
Yeah.
But again, if we put like this, it does not fall.
Yeah.
Because of the pressure inside. And if you can see the bottle mouth has enlarged. But if we keep like this, it became small.
Oh.
So we have completed this trick, and let's go to the next one.
If we light a candle and blow it and then put the fire on the smoke, it catches fire. So let's try this and find it out. So the next one is we need matchbox and candle. First we should light this candle for some 10 seconds. Wait.
So now we have lighted the candle.
So wait for some seconds.
So the trick is, if we blow out this candle, and again the smoke will come here, right? So if we take another matchstick, and then from that smoke, if we show it like this, it will automatically catch fire in this candle.
Yeah, if you
So
show
let's
like
try
this
it.
only in the smoke, it will come. So let's try now. 3. Wish me luck.
So now we should blow. And again
It worked.
See, it worked. And again blow it. Put it. See, it came. In the smoke itself, if we put,
Yeah.
it will come. Yeah, see, it came. See? That's it. So this is the trick. So
now let's move to the next one.
If we take a plastic cup and fill half of it with water and fire it, it stops where the water is. So let's try this trick.
So the next trick is,
So first we need a plastic cup, and we should fill half of it with water, and we need a matchstick.
Yeah.
And if we light the matchstick, it will fire and it will stop when the water is there. So
Yeah.
first we'll show you.
if there is 3/4 of it, the fire will stop at the 3/4 only.
Yeah.
So let's light it up.
It will fire, so be careful while doing this. 1 minute.
So now we have lighted the plastic cup.
See, and it will stop where the water is. See? It is not going beyond that.
Yeah.
See?
Be
Wow.
careful. See the fire also. We can see that the fire is also coming down. It's falling, but it's not.
See, that's it.
Yep.
See, the water is on the surface,
Yeah.
and it did not go down. It stopped where the water is.
Yeah. Let me.
It will be very hot.
Ouch.
So that's it. So let's now move to the next one.
Yeah. If we put a paper between two cups and put a cup on it, it falls. But if we fold in zigzag, the cup does not fall.
Trick is, we need three glass tumblers. If you have glass tumblers, you can use it, or you can use normal tumblers. So first what we need to do is, we need 2 glass tumblers, and we need to put a paper on top of that, and
we should put this like this, but it will
fall down. But if you put it in zigzag type, it will not fall.
So now we are folding into zigzag.
So now we have put this folded this paper into zigzag, and now we are going to keep on top of it.
Okay, wish us luck. Ouch.
Wow, it's not falling. So now we are going to fill it with water and let's see what happens.
So I'm going to hold it like this. So that wait.
Okay, now we have put it.
Wow!
Wow. So this paper is only the thing. Otherwise, it will work. See, it's now working. We have left it. We're not even touching it. So now let's move to the next one. So this is a success.
Yeah.
If we take a water bottle and fill water till it stop and put tissue paper, then flip it, the water does not fall.
So for this trick, we need only a tissue paper and a bottle. So first, now we should fill the water till the tip of the bottle. So now let's go and fill the water.
So now we are filling the bottle up to the surface. So now we have filled the bottle to its tip.
Now we can put this. You first.
Yeah.
So now we can put it.
Slowly it will tear, so be careful at this time.
So now we should go to the sink and now let's flip it
Try.
down. Tilt it down.
Wow,
it
it worked. So now it's not even falling.
See?
If we shake it little bit, Anya. No, upside down you shake it. Now you shake.
See?
But if we squeeze it only, it will come. Otherwise, it will not come. So now it's stone.
Yeah, so now let's move to the next one.
Yeah.
If we take a water bottle, prick holes in it and put tape on it, and if you open it, the water comes, and if we close, the water stops.
Here, the materials for this trick are shown are a bottle, a plastic bottle, a safety pin to poke holes,
So-
a tape to cover the holes, and then that's it.
So be careful when you use pen, you might get hurt.
So we are going to poke holes around the sides in one straight line like this, around like this. So after we poke, we'll show you.
Yeah. Now we are putting holes. Now we have poked the holes. I hope you can see that.
So I think this trick will work because we have not tried it before.
Yeah.
So now we are having this tape and we are going to cover the holes.
Yeah. And after that we should
Anya, hold the bottle.
after that we should put water inside the bottle and we should close the bottle and take this tape out, and if we do like this in the cap, it will not come.
So now you can see that we have put this here.
So now we should fill water in
Yes.
this bottle.
Water till here. We should pour water till here. Fill bottle here till here.
Yeah.
Still more we need.
Yeah. Take water, Vika.
Yeah, that's
So now
enough.
we should
See.
Yeah, so now we should close this bottle with this cap.
But still it is leaking. We don't know if this work or not.
Yeah,
I think this is a fail now itself.
yeah.
See, if you guys see, it's leaking over here fully.
Now we are taking this tape.
But I think this will be a fail only because if we do like this itself, it is coming, and if we remove the tape, I think it will fall down.
Yeah,
So now let's remove this tape.
yeah. So now we have tape.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. See, it's leaking. So now we have took the tape. So open it and close it.
But now some only is spilling. So it's showing that if we open this, it is spilling.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. See.
Wow!
But if we close it, it's not.
Yeah. Do it again.
See, if I'm closing it, only some is the falling out. This is a success.
If you draw a circle and put in the pin in the middle and cover it with the glass and draw on the paper, then the pin moves. Needed for this trick are a pen, a pin, a note, and a and a bottle. You can use even a glass or plastic tumblers.
Yeah.
So first what we need to do is we should put a circle in this, and after putting the circle we should put this pin inside it.
So we have put the pin in that hole.
So now we should
Cover this.
yeah. Okay. And
Now
after
if
that,
we draw around it, I think it
See?
will move. We don't
See?
know.
whoa, is it moving?
Yeah, it is moving.
Oh no, wait a second.
It fell.
So this is a success. So now let's move to the next one.
If we take a glass and fill with water and put a card on it and put coin, it falls. But if we put it till the surface, the coin does not fall. Next one, they are telling that the materials are a cup, a plastic card, and not a plastic card, any paper card, and a coin. So they are telling that we should fill half of this with water, and then if we put this on top and put the coin, it will fall. But if we fill it till top, it will not fall.
So now
Let's try that. So now I'll go and fill it.
Yeah. So now we have filled with half. So put the coin.
You can here only,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
See, it's falling. See again. We should put the card. 1 minute. Put the card at half of the glass tumbler only.
Yeah.
And if we put over, so if we put here, it will fall like this.
Yeah. So now
We should fill it till the surface of this glass tumbler. Let's fill it.
not surface. So now we have filled it. See, now we have filled. So now
Now let's put this on the surface of the water. I hope it
wait.
works.
We should put it in the half, right? Yeah. So now we can put it.
See, it worked.
See?
I'm not even touching
Because
it.
of the water is pulling the card.
That half only.
Yeah.
Even if we pull it to the last like this also, it's not
Yeah.
coming.
So now let's move to the next one.
So if we take a toothpick and place it on an object and cross the forks and put a toothpick on it, and the toothpick stands on the other toothpick. The materials are
2 forks and 2 matchsticks. So they have used toothpicks, but we are using matchsticks.
even that they were using salt containers, but in that we don't have salt containers, so we are using bottle. And that we have put a hole so that the matchstick can stand on it.
Yeah. So first what you need to do is put it like this cross way, 2
Yeah.
forks, and push it tightly so that it won't come out.
And then we should put the matchstick.
Like we should put the matchstick like this and like this. See, it stands on me because I am holding
So
it.
1 minute.
So now I am going to place it in the. Wait a minute. So now I am going to place it.
So that's see how we have positioned it. Now see, actually it's standing.
Yeah. So even I didn't put glue or anything. It actually standing.
Success.
Yeah. See.
So now let's move to the next one.
First, draw a flower in a sheet of paper and put it in the Ziploc bag and outline the flower in the marker and put it in the water. It disappears.
As you have seen, for this next craft, we need paper, a Ziploc bag, a permanent marker, and some sketches. So first, we need to. They are telling that we need to draw a flower here. So let's draw it. Or just simple flower.
Yeah, see. Taking this bowl. So see.
So it is not visible properly. So we have colored the flower and outlined the flower in the Ziploc bag.
Do like this. See,
See.
it disappears.
See.
Yeah.
So dip it more, little bit. No. If we only put it in one angle, only it will come.
We should put it like this straight so that
See.
only it comes.
Yeah. So that's it. This is a success.
Yeah.
Rubbing that permanent marker we drew right on this plastic cover, we threw the paper out, and Anya found a great hack that if we put sanitizer on this and rub it, it will erase. So we found out a new hack. So that only we are doing it again to show you guys.
Yeah.
Drawing in this.
Yeah. See, I'm drawing flower.
Just a flower to show we can, like whatever we draw in permanent marker, it usually never erases, will be permanent.
Yeah.
So this is a great hack because if we put sanitizer on this, it will work. See. This
So,
is
but
sanitizer.
everyone knows after
1 minute, don't rub it now only.
Yeah.
Let it dry.
yeah, everyone knows that if we draw anything in permanent marker, quickly if we erase, it will erase. But we should, after 5-10 minutes, if we erase with this hand sanitizer, any hand sanitizer, it will erase. So
Yeah.
now let's meet
put
after
this.
10.
No, now itself you put, see, it's not erasing now.
Yeah.
So,
See,
so
it's
now
not
I'm going to,
erasing.
I'll put the sanitizer, please.
Okay, then I will rub it. See?
1 minute, put the light.
Yeah.
I'll put the sanitizer.
Okay.
So Anya will rub it. See, I'm going to put the sanitizer.
Okay, it's enough. No, not. So now I'm going to take this hand sanitizer. See?
See, it's rubbing. That's all. This is a
See?
great hack. Okay.
And after that, we should wash it. Wash. See? It's gone.
Yeah, that's it.
So
So
now.
that's it. So I think now we have finished about 11 hacks and tricks.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So you also saw that how the tricks work. So if
You
guys-
also try this at home and tell in
Yeah.
the comment section how it worked for you.
Yeah,
So if you guys like this videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And like this video. So bye.